Ethereum value equivalent to $2,614.40 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $2,567.23, $2,630.27. The earlier day close: $2,584.69. The change was plus 29.71, plus 1.15%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum conjecture for April 2024. Before all else cost at $33.44. Excessive cost $40.41, while low cost $33.44. The normal for the month $3,627. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,777, change for April 12.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at $37.77. Excessive cost $43.91, while low cost $37.77. The normal for the month $4,012. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,104, change for May 8.7%. Ethereum conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at $41.04. Excessive cost $44.59, while low cost $38.75. The normal for the month $4,151. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,167, change for June 1.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. Before all else cost at $41.67. Excessive cost $45.85, while low cost $39.85. The normal for the month $4,256. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,285, change for July 2.8%. Ethereum gauge for August 2024. In the first place cost at $42.85. Exorbitant cost $46.31, while low cost $40.25. The normal for the month $4,317. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $4,328, change for August 1.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at $43.28. Exorbitant cost $47.78, while low cost $41.52. The normal for the month $4,431. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,465, change for September 3.2%. Ethereum figure for October 2024. Before all else cost at $44.65. Excessive cost $47.87, while low cost $41.61. The normal for the month $4,472. Excessive cost $49.13, while low cost $42.71. The normal for the month $4,563. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,592, change for November 2.6%. Ethereum estimate for December 2024. To start with cost at $45.92. Exorbitant cost $55.91, while low cost $45.92. The normal for the month $5,000. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,225, change for December 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at $52.25. Exorbitant cost $56.55, while low cost $49.15. The normal for the month $5,270. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5,285, change for January 1.1%. Ethereum gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at $52.85. Excessive cost $65.60, while low cost $52.85. The normal for the month $5,815. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $6,131, change for February 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2025. Initially cost at $61.31. Excessive cost $66.82, while low cost $58.08. The normal for the month $6,217. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $6,245, change for spring 1.9%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at $62.45. Excessive cost $69.50, while low cost $60.40. The normal for the month $6,433. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,495, change for April 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at $64.95. Excessive cost $80.61, while low cost $64.95. The normal for the month $7,146. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $7,534. Change for May 16.0%. Ethereum figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at $75.34. Excessive cost $75.34, while low cost $59.90. The normal for the month $6,875. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $6,441. Change for June 14.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. First and foremost cost at $64.41. Exorbitant cost $64.41, while low cost $55.42. The normal for the month $6,096. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5,959. Change for July 7.5%. Ethereum gauge for August 2025. To start with cost at $59.59. Exorbitant cost $73.96, while low cost $59.59. The normal for the month $6,557. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $6,912. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. Initially cost at $69.12. Excessive cost $69.12, while low cost $5,400. The normal for the month $6,258. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5,806. Change for September 16.0%. Ethereum gauge for October 2025. In the first place cost at $58.06. Excessive cost $58.06, while low cost $45.36. The normal for the month $5,256. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,877. Change for October 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at $48.77. Excessive cost $48.77, while low cost $38.10. The normal for the month $4,415. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,097. Change for November. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $4,567. Change for December 11.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at $45.67. Exorbitant cost $53.49, while low cost $45.67. The normal for the month $4,871. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,999. Change for January 9.5%. Ethereum figure for February 2026. Initially cost at $49.